Here's the students I have here. How many students do I have? I have 8 courses, and this is my dashboard. Here I have the comms skills. I want to delete some students to add new ones. I'll go to instructor section. Students are in groups. How to add students and delete them? Go to the course. This course shows learners. See students in animation and policy. I have students with me, so I can add more students and all that. So I'm going here to the instructor section, and you all saw the students here in groups just now. So where's the topic of adding courses? Okay, where is it, Dr. Sami? How do I add students to my course? And how do I delete students? And you need to stop there. So I need to go to the course itself. This course, here are the basics of animation. This course is the basics of animation. And it says here, view learners. I want to see the students who are in animation and the animation policy. Where am I? I want to focus on this part because a lot of people, after I finish the course, they say, oh, I don't know how to add students and how to add them all at once and how to add them in bulk. We will learn the methods very easily. Or I can tell them, these are my students, okay? These are my courses because these are my courses here in this section. Where am I? I want you to focus on this part because a lot of people, after I finish the course, they say, oh, I don't know how to add students and how to add them all at once. And how do I add them in bulk? We will learn the methods very easily. Or I can tell them, these are my students, okay? These are my courses because these are my courses here in this section. A lot of people will tell you, oh, I don't know how to add students and how to add them all at once. And how do I add them in bulk? We will learn the methods very easily. Or I can tell them, these are my students, okay? These are my courses because these are my courses here in this section. And here, my courses or my able groups, and she is the winner. Okay, where is she, Doctor? Sami, where is here is the, where is it? It's not available. Okay, where is it? Now, let's go to the user. I click on the user like this. Did I cut off the user from above, or is this the user? No, I need to click on this user. This is a very important point. Why isn't it accepting? Because I entered 12345, so it can't accept it. I need to delete from those 3. Don't count yourself. Don't think you're not there. I was looking at what's written on Leonardo. What's written on it? Is that what you want to delete? Don't delete from this now. Don't count the admin. Don't go counting the admin. So I'm going to delete this. I want to try this thing. You're going to like it a lot. Honestly, you're going to like it, and we'll work together now, and you'll see the art in it. I deleted one, and I'm going to delete 2 more. What is written on it is what you delete. Do not delete this now. Do not count as an admin. Do not go count as an admin. No. I come here, and I'm going to regret this. I want to try this thing. You're really going to like it. Honestly, you're going to enjoy it, and we'll work together now, and you'll see the art in it. I deleted one, and I'm going to delete 2 more. I love you. That's enough. I will take 2 of you. I will take 2 of you, and we will see you learn through the one who takes 2 of them. I asked colleagues who want to. Just send me your email, just your email. What's your email, please? We'll take 2, and they'll try with us, and we'll see them enjoying it so far. We haven't done anything yet. Let's take your name, Dr. Khalid. Yes, Dr. Khalid Al-Sheeb. First thing, Dr. Khalid. I'm going to come here, guys. I want to add a user on the same page. Here it is. I'll click on the Add User button. And I put here, Dr. Khalid. In Arabic, in English, just like all right, and then let's move on. All right, then make sure to put the email here for Dr. Khalid. This email is very important. The word before this email is Dr. Khalid's login, okay? This is his username, the word before the email. Any student, the word before the email, right? So we say, are you going to add a student? No, I'll teach you how to add them all in a blink of an eye, all right? The password, Dr. Khalid, I'm going to set a password for you like this. And then the name is Maun, and then 1234. So the password, Dr. Khalid, is that okay? This is your password, Dr. Khalid. Can you remember it? And the password is what? Captain 1234. All right? Do you want to set the type of user? What should his profile look like? All this stuff, just tell him, here's Youssef. Start adding. Of course, you can take your time looking at all this. And I'm telling you, this password was already there, you know? Oh, password. Not really. Is the cup okay? All right, can we put example? 8 letters. Okay, let's add a few more. 4, 5, 6. So what does it mean? A capital A, a small a capital A, a small a, and then from 1 to 6, because I'm telling you it has to be 8. All right, we've covered that. Dr. Khaled, great, great. All right, I added a user here. I added a user to the group. So we entered this and put the course. I'm telling you, pay attention now. Dr. Khaled wants to add any course. So you get the courses you have. Here's the plus sign. I went to the basics of animation and clicked on the sign. Plus, let's add to whom? Let's add to the basics of animation. Hey everyone, let's add to the basics of animation, okay? Okay, wait a second. How do I access the courses? I go to administrator and I say go to GoTo. I'm clicking on the word administrator and I say from the top, not from the bottom, I say user. Fakra is not available. I tell him football, Yozel. So I visited Dr. Khaled is here. All right, I want to add another user, add a colleague. Dr. Allah is excellent. Let's put in the username. I'll create the email, the username. To save time, I'll put Allah as the last name. I'll show you how to add them all at once using Excel. We'll use the same password as Dr. Khaled. A1234556. Dr. Allah added successfully. I asked if he wants to add to a course. He chose basics of animation. Right away, I created the email. And immediately after that, right before that, I made the username. Then, just to save our time, for Dr. Allah, I'll put Allah as the last name. I'll also demonstrate to you how to add them all at once in a matter of seconds, utilizing an Excel spreadsheet. Then we will proceed to use the same password as Dr. Khaled. What? Capital after the small one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And I click on add user right away. Dr. Allah has been added. Great. And I said, do you want to add him to any course? I said, to the basics of animation. He said, okay. Okay. So Dr. Allah is present. I want to make sure about all this. So I'm talking. I click on this word and I say, well, I want to go see if you want to go check it out like this. You can go see them from here and go to click on administrator like this on the word administrator from the top and then go to user like this. And you can see the users you have. Of course, if you take the paid version, you can add 1,000 users, no problem at all. So this is how you add a user one by one. And I'll show you in a bit how to add users in bulk using something very simple. And we'll see that together now using an Excel file. All right, are we ready to start so we don't waste time? Because we've already taken a lot of time. Let's go to, I want to go to my course. I want to go to the course. So I say go to, and I want to go to the courses. So which course, Dr. Sammy, do you want to enter? I want to enter the basics of animation. Let's start the course here. And now I'm already a user. How many schools do we have? 2. If I click here, it will show me Dr. Allah, but I don't want to waste time. And our dear Dr. Khaled Al-Shab, focus with me now, really focus, so you can see the platform like this. We set up the platform like this, okay? About the user and how many, if you have a paid version, you can add them. Yeah, Salmon, you keep bringing this up. Yeah, I'll tell you why